Programming is the future. If you know programming, you can get great job with a lots of benefits. These days, firms are desperate to find programmers, so they are able to offer you plenty of benefits. By the way, why is that? If learning programming has so many benefits, why aren't there more people learning it? Well, it is not easy. A lot of people give up, but you can definitely learn programming. Like everything, it is all about practice. This course will teach you the basics like what is variable, how to use if condition, what is array, loop, function. Also, in this course are plenty of applications on which you can practice. So, do you want to learn programming?